In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive money on Sendwave with our step-by-step guide for 2025. Let's dive right in and make this process as seamless as possible for you. First, you'll want to head to the Sendwave website and locate the Continue to Send option. Clicking on this will start your journey in receiving money effortlessly. It's the starting point where we ensure everything is set up accurately to facilitate smooth transactions. As you proceed, it's time to provide your personal information. This is crucial to ensure that Sendwave can verify your identity and process your transactions correctly. You'll need to fill in your name and date of birth. Additionally, include the purpose of your account, your billing address, zip code, city, and state. It's important to be meticulous here to avoid any hiccups in processing your transactions. Once you've carefully filled out your information, click on Finish. This step confirms that your data is correct and finalizes your initial setup. Now you'll be prompted to choose the primary reason for transferring money. This could range from personal reasons to maybe business-related purposes. Selecting the appropriate category gives Sendwave the context it needs to proceed with your transaction. Next, click on Continue to verify your identity. Verification is an essential security measure that ensures all transactions are legitimate. Following this, you'll be asked to select your country and choose a document that you will use for verification. This might involve an ID card, passport, or any other official document that Sendwave accepts. Make sure you have these documents ready before proceeding to avoid any delays. After selecting your document, click on Continue once again. This step prepares you to verify your identity and will involve clicking on Start. Follow the prompts closely to ensure that Sendwave receives the necessary verification. Once your identity is verified, simply click Done. This confirms that you've successfully completed the verification process. The next part will require you to start recording your face. Don't worry, this is a secure process and a standard practice to add an additional layer of security. Follow the instructions on the screen to complete the facial verification. Finally, after you've completed the face recording and all necessary verifications, it's time to continue to send. At this point, you've set the stage for receiving money through Sendwave efficiently. By following all these steps carefully, you'll be all set to perform money transactions on Sendwave with confidence. I hope you found this guide helpful, and you're now equipped to receive money without any hassle. Thank you for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more valuable guides like this one.